Hello CBSE students. The time for practical exam is fast approaching. The board has just issued a set of standard operating procedures SOPs for the class 10th and 12th practical project and internal assessment for 2026. This is not just paperwork. Non-compliance with these strict guidelines can lead to the cancellation of your practical exam and result in an E grade. This video covers the three main areas you and your school must focus right now. So over here at Careers 360, we have covered this particular news. CBSE Practical Exam 2026 will be conducted for class 10th, 12th from January 1 to February 14. Dear ones, first of all, if I just talk about the timeline, as I said, for the practical exam project and internal assessment submission, it typically begins on January 1st and continues up to the start of the theory papers, that means mid-February. For class 12th, especially in science subject, an external examiner appointed by CBSE is mandatory. This examiner is crucial for maintaining integrity and schools must coordinate the entire examination schedule with them. For class 10th internal assessments, the school handles the grading internally. So over here at Careers 360, we have covered this particular news and I'm going to summarize the whole news to you people. Now, this is the most critical area where the school faces the issues and students suffer a lot. Schools must upload the marks for all the components, practical, project and IM. Okay, that means internal assessment to the CBSE portal accurately and within the stipulated time. The CBSE has issued a stern warning. They will not entertain any request for correction once the marks have been uploaded and the deadline passes. Students, you must follow up with your teachers to ensure these marks are uploaded correctly and on time. Clear? Now, finally, what I literally want to talk about over here is that maintaining integrity is paramount. Any instance of unfair means like using unauthorized material during the exam or presenting non-original project work will result in strict action and potential disqualification. Ensure your files are neat, original and complete. Your practicals and internal marks constitute a huge part of your final percentage. Follow these SOPs, track your mark submissions and secure those easy marks. Like this video, share it with your classmates and subscribe for continuous CBSE updates.